Thoroughly wash all parts with warm water, then dry them completely. Prepare everything for assembling the cake. Melt the chocolate in advance. Mark the center of the cake. Using a wooden stick, pierce the cake all the way through and slightly widen the hole for the screw. For better fixation, add a small amount of chocolate to the center of the main cake board. Move the cake onto the main cake board so that the hole aligns with the center of the board. Check the correct positioning with the wooden stick. Carefully screw the support rod into the cake all the way in. Add chocolate to secure the nut. Screw the nut down to the desired level. Place the cake in the refrigerator until the chocolate sets. Then, add more melted chocolate on top of the nut and install the next cake board. Mark the center of the next cake tier. Place the tier onto the cake board. Put the cake in the refrigerator until it sets. Begin decorating.